Hi there and welcome back to Neo Spoken English. I am Hanisha. In this video, you will be learning some commonly used general nouns with pronunciation and Telugu meanings. To understand English better, you need to learn commonly used words with meanings and proper pronunciation. Let us discuss them one by one. Most common English words. Part 1. General nouns. First one. Polyglot. Polyglot. Bahubhasha Veta. Next one. Chariot. Chariot. Radham. Next one. Couch. Couch. Divan. Next one. Blindfold. Blindfold. Kallagantalu. Next one. Garland. Garland. Poolamala. Next one. Kin. Kin. Daggari banduvu. Next one. Mattress. Mattress. Parupu. Next one. Nightmare. Nightmare. Pidakala. First one. Backpack. Backpack. Vipu sanchi. Next one. Leash. Leash. Kukkanu katte patti. Next one. Knot. Knot. Mudi. Next one. Conch. Conch. Shankam. Next one. Stain. Stain. Maraka. Next one. Hailstones. Hailstones. Vadagallu. Next one. Sack. Sack. Gone sanchi. Next one. Plait or braid. Plait or braid. Jada. First one. Swing. Swing. Uyala. Next one. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Dustula alamara. Next one. Witch. Witch. Mantragatte. Next one. Wizard. Wizard. Mantrikudu. Next one. Toddler. Toddler. Nadaka నేర్చుకొను బిడ్డ. Next one. Crib. Crib. పసిపిల్లల పడక. Next one. Full moon. Full moon. పౌర్ణమి. Next one. New moon. New moon. అమావాస్య. First one. Comet. Comet. తోక చుక్క. Next one. Bald head. Bald head. బట్టతల. Next one. Blaze. Blaze. అగ్నిజ్వాల. Next one. Tummy. Tummy. కడుపు లేదా బొజ్జ. Next one. Gems. Gems. రత్నాలు. Next one. Fur. Fur. బొచ్చు. Next one. Charcoal. Charcoal. కాల్చిన బొగ్గు. Next one. Debris. Debris. శిథిలాలు. First one. Cattle. Cattle. పశువు. Next one, dung, dung, peda. Next one, horns, horns, kommulu. Next one, beast, beast, mrugamu. Next one, soap nuts, soap nuts, kunkudu kayalu. Next one, thorn, thorn, mullu. Next one, bow, bow, villu. Next one, sideburns, sideburns, julapalu. First one, prasad, prasad, prasadam. Next one, ambrosia, ambrosia, amrutam. Next one, heaven, heaven, swargam. Next one, hell, hell, narakamu. Next one, folk, folk, janam. Next one, soul, soul, atma. Next one, grave, grave, samadhi. Next one, holy books, holy books, pavitra grandamulu. First one, stranger, stranger, అపరిచితుడు. Next one, spouse, spouse, భార్య లేక భర్త. Next one, nephew, nephew, మేనల్లుడు. Next one, niece, niece, మేనకోడలు. Next one, hostage, hostage, బందీ. Next one, mob, mob, అల్లరి మూక. Next one, goon, goon, ఆకతాయి. Next one, clown, clown, joker. First one, martyrs, martyrs, అమరవీరులు. Next one, tenant, tenant, అద్దెకున్న వ్యక్తి. Next one, orphan, orphan, అనాథ. Next one, mermaid, mermaid, జలకన్య. Next one, scarecrow, scarecrow, దృష్టి బొమ్మ. Next one, effigy, effigy, దిష్టి బొమ్మ. Next one, bonfire, bonfire, భోగి మంట. Next one, culprit, culprit, అపరాధి. If you think this video is useful, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.